Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the weather this week across most of the Midwest should get a little warmer and moderate from what we've seen this past weekend. It still looks like there'll be rain/snow around in the forecast for much of the Midwest. Southern Plains continues to look drier than normal. Still trying to assess the damage of the almost record cold temperatures over the weekend for the winter wheat crop. On one hand, people say, we might have seen some winter kill, but we won't know until the spring, and if it rains in the spring, it won't matter. If it doesn't, it'll just be one of the problems that the crop has. Overnight, we saw one private group estimate the Brazil soybean crop at 103 million tons. That's up 2 million tons from their previous estimate. We've heard some estimates as high as 106 million tons. We saw another private estimate of the corn crop in Brazil at 88 million tons. Last year the crop was only 67 million tons. So when we look at that kind of supply potentially coming into the market, let's say late February, early March, then that could offer some lower exports, sales, and shipments out of the United States. Overnight we got beans down about 9 cents. We've traded below what I think is psychological support at the 10.25 area on the March. It's also kind of a trend line. Your next support comes in at a moving average at 10.17 and then down to $10. So if we are seeing a bigger supply in South America without weather problems, and if we are seeing maybe a shift in demand, then you could probably see us go down and test that $10 area on the March. Corn and wheat's down about a penny. Funds still short there. Still not seeing any news that's going to bring carryouts globally down from their current numbers, which offers resistance to the market. We'll also see after the first of the year if the farmers start selling a little bit of corn. On January 12th, the USDA is expected to say that they got a record amount of corn to sell as of December 1st. U.S. weather, again, mostly normal to above temps, normal to above precip. We're down overnight. The dollar's up. Crude's up, and so we'll just see how low is low in this little backing off from last week's highs. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.